Hey guys, it's Miss Mueller, and I'm going to show you how to share your slide and get that URL, a shareable link, from your slide into your Google exit ticket, your Google Form exit ticket. Many times teachers assign things on Google Classroom, but then as a teacher you have to go into each kids and click on every single separate one, and it's kind of crazy. Right now, because only about half of you are completing assignments, I'm just going to have you turn it in a different way. I'll also teach you a new skill, and then instead of clicking on 80, I can click on 40. So it'll be a little quicker. So for you, I know some of you know about sharing settings and some don't, but here it is. You have your assignment that you completed. Here's my fake assignment. I'm going to go up to Share and go to Advanced. Now, all slides, docs, sheets, all different things in Google will start as private, only you can access, because it's just you and your stuff in your drive. But you're going to change that. So you press change. You're going to click it to on anyone with the link. So it says anyone who has the link can access. Now, when you clicked that, this popped up. So see how if I go off, it goes away. If I go back to on, this pops up. It says can view. If you click it, you can do edit, comment, or view. But right now, as your teacher, I don't need to edit your work. I just need to see it. So in order to keep you safe and your work safe, sometimes your work's safe from your other colleagues and students and friends, and sometimes even your teachers, you want to do anyone with the link can view and then save. Now you can see that the link is already highlighted up here where it says link to share. So you can do your Control-C to copy it, or you can even just, because it's one slide, you could go up to the URL up here and do Control-C. And then you would go to your exit ticket for today. Let me go find that. Hold on. I have way too many things open. That's not it. That was... Oh, dang, I don't even have it linked yet. You go to your exit ticket, which is gonna be here. And you're going to copy and paste your URL here where it says long answer text. And that's it. So that is how you're going to take your one slide, make it a shareable link, and then take that shareable link and turn it in on the exit ticket. Good luck. Tell me if you need anything.